So what we have here is a virtual oscilloscope, which is available online from academo.org. Other virtual oscilloscopes are available, but they all have similar features. Something to be aware of is the volts per division here, set at standard as 5 volts on this particular edition. And this is basically limiting the scale so that the sound wave doesn't go really much above here, which you can see as I'm talking. I want the output to use up more of the screen. So if I change that to 2 volts, you can see that the amplitude has been scaled up there. Wonderful stuff. The other thing to be aware of is the freeze live input. So if I try for a constant tone, ma, you can see there the sound wave I've produced, not very clean, but at least we can start, it gives you something to start the discussion. Something else that you can be trying with that is getting your students to bring in musical instruments, or you can be using a frequency generator app on your phone. So let's give one of those a go. Ouch. And so you can see from that, you can definitely hear and see the link between the frequency and the pitch there, with a higher pitch giving a much higher frequency output signal on the oscilloscope.